everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am sharing a super quick and delicious snack recipe, cheesy paneer tacos with an Indian twist. The best part is that you can even use leftover rotis to make this. So let's get started. First I am heating a pan, adding a little refined oil with some chopped garlic, followed by some chopped onions, some chopped carrots and chopped cabbage, a little tomato. These vegetables add a lot of texture and make the filling colorful as well. Now I am sauteing them together for a few seconds until the vegetables soften slightly but still keep a little crunch. So now I am adding 2 boiled potatoes. I am just crushing them directly with my hand. Next come the spices. I am adding some salt, some little chili flakes for that heat, some Maggi masala and for the extra flavor, a pinch of turmeric powder, and then I have added a boiled sweet corn which gives a slight sweetness and a next bite of the filling. After adding everything, I am mixing it really well. Then I have added paneer cubes into the mixture. Paneer is the star ingredient here and makes the filling rich and delicious. I am gently stirring everything together so the paneer mixes well and with the rest of the filling. At this stage, I'm adding little freshness. So I am squeezing half of the lemon into the mixture. The lemon balances all the flavors and makes the filling taste even better. So I am giving everything a final mix. As you can see, the filling is nicely combined. It is soft, slightly chunky and full of flavor. This is the perfect texture we want. And now let's assemble the tacos. So I am taking one chapati and placing it on a wooden board. First I am spreading some tomato ketchup on one side of the chapati. And then I am adding aloo paneer mixture that we have prepared and spreading it evenly on one half of the chapati. Now I am adding some fresh onion rings for that little crunch and freshness. Now comes the best part, lot of mozzarella cheese. Don't be shy with the cheese because this is what makes the tacos extra creamy and cheesy. Now I am folding the chapati into a half moon shape just like a taco. So I am repeating the same steps to prepare another taco as well. This is how you can actually customize it according to your wish also. So usually I make these tacos whenever I have some leftover rotis with me. Just have this like aloo paneer mixture. You can customize like anything you want. You can just add other vegetables as well. So now it's time to toast them. I'm heating a pan and adding a little butter. So I'm spreading the butter evenly with a brush so that tacos get the beautiful golden crisp texture. You can even use ghee also or refined oil. Now I'm placing the tacos on the pan one by one. I'm also brushing a little butter on the top of the side so that both sides become crispy and nicely toasted. So this is how I am applying it. Just look at the weather also, is so good. You can just make it any day, anytime if you want like a quick recipe or quick breakfast, or if kids wants to have this kind of recipes, you can just make it for them. So cook them on medium flame and gently press them while cooking. This helps the cheese melt properly and also gives the tacos a nicely crispy layer. After a few seconds, I am flipping them to another side and again pressing slightly so they cook evenly. Now our cheesy paneer tacos are ready. Look at the beautiful golden color and the crispy texture. I am taking them out on a plate and serving them hot. When you break them open, you will see this cheesy, flavorful paneer and potato filling inside. It's crispy on the outside and soft and cheesy on the inside. And honestly, the perfect snack. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more recipes. Take care.